Encryption and website logon sets.
You can create encrypted quips in Spartan. To start one, right-click on any empty slot and click New Encrypted Quip. The first time you use Spartan's encryption, you will be asked to enter a master password. Type it twice and click Continue. For now, ignore the blue panel and just start to type. This is a password. Encrypted quips cannot be read from your hard disk and do not show in the preview window. They can only be pasted when you are logged in with your master password. Open Options Encryption from the Options menu. You can log in and out of encryption here. You are also logged out automatically whenever you close Spartan. As an added security, you can also elect to be logged out whenever your PC is left unattended for a fixed length of time. If you need to change your master password, you can do so here. If someone tries to paste your password while you're logged out, they cannot do so without your master password. You, on the other hand, can enter your password and have it pasted. Website logon sets. Right-click on an empty slot and click New Encrypted Quip. This time, click inside the blue panel. Spartan enters the skeleton framework for a logon set. It also shows you examples of how to fill it in. I already have the URL for my bank's logon page, so I can just bring up Spartan and paste it in. I enter my memorable word and PIN number. I enter my username and password like this. And I name the quip Bank Logon before saving. Again, the contents of the quip do not show in the preview window, but when I click on this quip, my bank's website opens together with this small Spartan window. To fill in my username and password, I click here and here. The website is now asking for the second, third and seventh characters from my memorable word. I type 237 in this field and click the D button to have Spartan fill in the drop-downs. After entering the required characters, you can use this button to paste them into a single input field, this one to paste them into 3 separate single character fields, the D button, as we've seen, to fill in drop-downs, and this one to see the characters here, just in case you have to enter them manually. This site wants the numbers 2, 4 and 1 from my PIN. I type 241 here and click here. It then wants characters 1, 3 and 4 from my password. I type 134 here and click here. An encrypted form filling set. Here's another way to use encryption sets. This set has no associated website, passwords or pins. What it does have is all the information I might have to paste into an online form when buying something on the internet. Where I don't want some information to show on screen, I separate it from its name with the equal sign. And where it doesn't matter, I just type the information. I want fast access to this, so I move it to the hotkeys. And I allocate Ctrl+I to it. Now, whenever I find myself buying something at a website, I just type Ctrl+I and up pops my quip set. Filling the form is as easy as clicking on the clips. And my credit card details are never shown on the screen.